The type of alcohol that us humans ingest is ethyl alcohol or ethanol, but I'll just refer to it as alcohol from here on out. When we ingest and swallow alcohol, it will move down the esophagus and into the stomach. Now, if I open this other stomach, you can see this really cool inside lining called the tunica mucosa. The reason I'm showing you this is because some of the alcohol can actually be absorbed through the stomach lining and into the bloodstream. However, this is a small amount of about 10 to 20%, with the other 80% being absorbed by the small intestine. But it is important to note that alcohol absorption and how fast it enters your bloodstream does depend on the contents of your stomach, or in other words, how fast the alcohol can move from the stomach and into the small intestine, where again, the majority of that alcohol will be absorbed. And just to give you some numbers, on an empty stomach, alcohol blood levels could peak in about 30 to 60 minutes, whereas it could take 1 to 3 hours for those blood alcohol levels to peak if there was food in the stomach. Now, once the alcohol is absorbed from the stomach and small intestine, it will go directly to the liver. And many of you have likely heard that the liver does the majority of the work to detoxify the body from the alcohol. But understanding how the liver exactly does this is important, because this will help us to understand some of the potential negative consequences of alcohol intake.